Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are doing a video walkthrough of the Ava floor plan. This is part of the townhomes that Lennar builds at many of their Southwest Florida communities. The Ava is a one-car garage, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome. You've got a side entry here on this particular floor plan. And it's going to be just under 1,900 square foot on this home. And as you walk in, you've got a nice great room style design here from right to left, with your great room area, dining space, bar space, kitchen, and ultimately access to your garage. So your garage directly right through here. You do have a half bath downstairs as well. So you've got the sink and the commode. Right next to this, you have a little storage closet, pantry style closet. And here you have set up here is a 6-top. This could be a smaller eat-in kitchen table because you do have a dining space as well. Your kitchen comes with wood cabinets, granite countertops, full stainless appliance package. And this overlooks your main area here. And this area here can be used as a formal dining space, as you do have the electric above to hang a chandelier of sorts. This door here leads us into the below stair storage area, so you have a nice storage space directly beneath the stairs. And a nice little lanai to capture your views. Now we're gonna head upstairs. And upstairs we have 3 bedrooms, a couple of bathrooms. You've got your laundry space as well. Now this particular model had been used as an office by the salespeople at Lennar, so you will not see any bedroom furniture. However, we're gonna go straight back into what would be one of the guest bedrooms back here. So this is one of your guest bedrooms here. And you do have a walk-in style closet right here. Next to this is the second guest bedroom here. And this one has a bifold style closet doors. Directly across is the guest bath here with your combination tub and shower and singular sink. And right across, here's your laundry space here, big enough for a full-size washer dryer and storage space above. Then you also have another storage closet right here. And last but not least, we have the master suite. It's plenty big for a king size. Really nice size master bedroom here with your windows overlooking the views. And you do have this area here that is set up as a seating area. Could be an additional workspace for you. And that leads us to the master. You've got 2 walk-in style closets directly across from each other. You have the dual sinks. You've got the standalone shower. And last but not least, you have the enclosed water closet here. So that's it, folks. This is the Ava floor plan, part of Lennar's townhomes at many of their Southwest Florida communities. If you're considering one of the townhomes, we are your local Lennar experts. We'll be happy to help you find the community that works for you. Guys, this is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property. See below for our contact information if you're interested in one of these homes, and we thank you for watching.